I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we after ya. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get you cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber.
All right, today is the 19th of July. It's a beautiful day to be a trader. Today we will be looking at EURUSD. Hello, Elam. Today we will be looking at EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDJPY, GBPJPY, and then finally gold. We are moving into the winter trading period where the market is usually very, dry. It consolidates a lot, it stays in one area a lot. I'm mostly going to be doing more of scalping during this period, some swing trades, which are going to last a long period of time. For example, like my gold, I'll explain my gold trade more, but there may not be a lot of swing trades. It's mostly scalping. This is one of the best periods to scalp, starting from summer period, July. Okay, wait, we're still in July, August. Okay, July, August, but once we're getting to September, we will start seeing more of, I'll start having more scalping videos than swing, trades, because it's hard to catch swing trades during this period. All right, so if you have any pairs you want, put that in the comment section. If you have any pairs you want analysis for, any pairs you want signals for, put that in the comment section so that we can add it to our list. And yeah, we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. I uploaded a video for scalping yesterday. I've been making the contents more and more interesting. Also, remember, if you want to copy my trades for free, not for free, but if you want to get free signals, always come to this live stream. Don't message me during my private time for signals. If you want private signals, then you pay for private signals. If you want free signals, then just come for this free live stream and always enjoy free signals. Put whatever signal pair you want signal for, foreign exchange, crypto, doesn't matter. Put it in the comment section, even all those NAS, whatever you guys trade. And we'll look at it, we'll get some analysis from it, and we'll get some signals from it. So you said USDJPY. USDJPY is already part of the list. We have EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDJPY, and GBPJPY, and then finally gold, XAUUSD. If you want to copy my trades, click the link in the description below. For Mega Markets, the broker that I use. Make sure you have at least $350 in your account to connect to my account, and send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram along with your email. If you want to test my software for free that does all the analysis for me in seconds, tells me the market direction, tells me where to buy, when to sell, even when to scalp, sign up with Mega Markets, link in description below. Fund your account with at least $150 so that I know that you're serious. You want to take some tests, you want to take some trades with my software, you want to test it for 2 weeks, and send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. But if you want to buy the course so that you can do everything yourself, scalping, swing trading, just like I do, and hedging. Remember, what is hedging? Hedging is something that you can use to save so much funds on your account. Okay. Don't think about all the situations that you've lost money. Think about all the situations that you would have not lost money. Okay. How much would you have right now if you had hedged out all the losses that you ever had, right? That is what makes me keep my account for a long period of time. That is what makes me grow my account fast. Okay, that is the secret. That is my secret to success. Okay, in foreign exchange, my backbone, hedging, the ability to cover my loss, the ability to not have any loss. Every single stop loss you've ever had in your life, if you are hedged it out right now, most of you will be very, very rich. What are you guys going to Most of you will be very, very rich. Hello, Dizzy Soft. I hope, yeah, you didn't come late. We just started giving signals recently. Some people are. Why is it always when I'm streaming that people decide to message me on WhatsApp and Telegram? You know. All right. So where were we? Where were we? Where were we? Yeah. So if you wanna get the software for TradingView, it's also available on TradingView, but it's separate from MT4 because it's more accurate. You are getting the direct, nice, smooth feed from the market. Go to hedgingmastermind.com and you can get it there. If you want to buy the course, during the course, I teach my students live. We go through live trades, live scalping, live swing trading, live hedging. Okay, so that I'll show you that I practice what I preach. I'll be taking trades on my account as I teach you. Okay, and you can ask questions at any time, at any point in time. You know, some people will see, as I'm saying this, as I'm giving you this information, do you know that there's some people that will listen to this, watch this video, and then ask me the same information that I recently just said? You know, let's say it's one person that messages me. It would be nice. It would be okay. But people don't think like this. If I message him and another person messages him, I have like 100 people asking me to repeat the same thing that they heard, that they read to them again, just because they want me to do it. Not because they don't know what I said. Not because they don't understand just because they want me to repeat it. You know, I have somebody, as I'm telling you this, the person is messaging, the person saw me on this live stream saying it, and the person is asking me to repeat it again for themselves. Like, come on. It can be really frustrating. Do you know how many people I've blocked because of this? I've blocked some. I'm tired of blocking. I'm tired of blocking. I'm tired of blocking. Some people, I'll say, do you know that I say I'm going to block you if you do this? They say yes. At that point, I don't even know what to say. You know, so that means I told you not to ask me to repeat it, but you just don't care. That's the way I see it. You just don't care. And you expect something free from me. It's just very crazy. Anyways, let's get back into this. It's funny sometimes. I'm telling you, you should. Someone. I asked someone, would you like it if it's done to you? The person said yes. And I was just like, this person doesn't have anything to do. When I switch off this live stream, do you not think that I go back to my own personal life? I'm already trading. I'm already making money. You know, I'm giving free signals. I'm giving my software for free. I'm giving free trades. I literally do not need. I'm literally coming on the live stream to give free signals. If I don't do it, I'm not losing anything. Do you think after I close my stream, I'm still on the charts, I'm still trading? No, I've passed that stage. I already know how to trade. I'm living my life. I'm enjoying myself. I'm traveling. I'm planning where I'm going to travel to. I'm driving nice cars. I'm driving supercars. I'm going to the beach. I'm going to hotels. I'm getting massages. I don't have time to be repeating information. I'm not in the stage of learning how to trade. I'm not in the stage of research. I'm not in the stage of going back to do. I can open my charts right now in less than 1 minute, know what to do. My software has already done it. We are not in the same stage. I'm not on the charts 24/7. Sometimes in a whole week, I'm not on the charts more than 2-3 hours. You know. So when someone already knows how to trade, their life is not trading anymore. Plain and simple. This is why I say you guys need to learn how to trade. You are on the screen 24/7. So much time that you could be using to make money. You are using it, wasting time. You know, people don't value their time. That's just the thing. But it's not your fault. Actually, it is your fault. Most of you pay people who are not trading live in front of you. So if somebody wants to teach you how to drive, will you pay him without him showing you how to drive? That's your fault. You are paying for courses where the person is not trading live with you, and then you are wondering, why is this thing not working? Will you pay for a driving lesson and never take a drive, and then go for the driving test and wonder, why can't I drive? Why all of a sudden I can't drive? Maybe it's because I never saw him teach me how to drive. He never showed me driving. You pay for rubbish courses, they don't trade in front of you, and you are wondering why. You didn't get scammed. You scammed yourself because you don't have common sense. You don't have common sense. If you paid somebody to learn and they did not take a live trade in front of you, if they did not teach you with a live trade, you don't have common sense. It is your fault. Let's be honest. It is your fault. No one scammed you. You are just dumb, unfortunately. You know, it's just unbelievable. But anyways, with that being said, I've had the fact that I've had students come in front of me. Some people even do in-person courses and they don't trade live with their students. What? Don't you people think? I don't understand. Don't you people think? Don't you people think? You know, it's just incredible. It's just incredible. But this is, I don't blame you guys also, because 99.5% of what is out there, nobody is teaching with live trades. It's not your fault. That is what you see everywhere. But you have to put logical reasoning into it. Tell the person teaching you, trade live in front of me, and then you see how everything will change. You see how everything will change. Before you pay your mentor, ask them, are they going to take trades in front of you? It's just a simple question. Why can't you do that before you pay for the course? People are failing to trade. People fail as traders unnecessarily for no reason. They are failing for no reason. No reason, just dumb reasons. When I hear why people are losing, some people, it's just something that most of the time is something that doesn't even make sense. So hello Sammy Machaka, hello Health Sin Rikish. Even since last week I only took 2 scalp trades. The market has been behaving somehow. This week I've only taken 1. I tried to take 1 scalp trade. I didn't take it on the copy trade account because it was kind of messy. I'll upload the video next week. You understand what I mean? But I only tried to take 1 trade, even though I shouldn't have, and it almost messed me up. Okay, I recorded it. I'll show it to you guys. The video will be uploaded next week. But this week's video is going to be the videos of scalps that I took last week. Okay, I haven't really taken any trades. The market has not really given me a good opportunity. You say, I like today's session. Sometimes we need to hear the truth. It's just common sense. It's just basically common sense. It's just something that if you truly actually wanted to learn how to trade, you would ask for, because if you wanted to learn how to drive a car and you were not taking in a car, nobody showed you how to drive a car, but nobody brought you in the car and showed you how to drive the car, I think you would ask the question of, when are we going to get into the car? But for some reason, when it comes to trading, people don't ask, when are we going to take a live trade to their mentor? It's sad, but I don't know. I cannot explain why that is happening, but it happens, Hello, Rudra Raju. All right, guys, let's take a quick break from Yoga Markets, and then we'll be right back with the charts with some analysis. Today we have EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDJPY, GBPJPY, GBP card. Someone mentioned GBP card, and XAUUSD. If you have any pairs that you want free signals on, I'm asking you, and at this point I'm begging you, if you have any pairs you want signals for, put that in the comment section now. Don't message me after this free. This is the only point. During these live streams is the only point where I'll be giving you free signals. Don't message me later on asking me for free signals, especially if you're not my student. I don't know you. Some of you don't even know my name, but you're asking me for free signals. So free session, we do free things. Limitless signals. Private session, you have to pay for it. Okay. All right. What is CDJ? Oh, card JPY. Card JPY. All right. We'll add card JPY after GBPJPY. All right. Let's take a break and we'll be right back very soon with analysis. Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I used to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, Ethereum, and many more. And the transactions are done in an instant. No waiting or delays. This broker does it in an instant. The trading platform is done in MT4, which I consider the best trading platform if you want to have the best trading experience. You can click the link in description below to sign up and start trading and making profits just like I do. Hello, and we're back. Just 1 minute, guys, and we'll begin with the analysis. Remember, today we have EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDJPY, GBPJPY, CAD JPY, and last but not least, XAUUSD, baby. We'll begin very soon. Okay.
Unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't want to talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't want to talk unless we talking about.
All right, guys. 1 minute. Where are we? All right, EURUSD. EURUSD, we had a buy trade on EURUSD. It went long for a while. Remember what we always say, 40 to 50 pips in profits. Take some profits, move the rest in break even. So we went into some profits on EURUSD, and then what happened? The market started going bearish. However, it does look like a consolidation. Is there a possibility of a sell? Yes, but let's identify this consolidation first. See, how many of you guys have noticed we've been recently having a lot of consolidation? The consolidations are just going to keep on increasing and increasing, and you are going to see the worst of it during September, October, November, December period. Okay, so it's crazy that it started. It's what are we? Where are we? We're in July, and the market is already showing us signs of days of consolidation. You just know that September, October, November is going to be a crazy period. Okay, a lot of you guys are going to really. I'm very sure. I can almost bet it. September, October, November period, we will have more people on our live stream because a lot of people will need help. A lot of people fail during that period. A lot of people fail during that period. You will see the amount of increase that we're going to have on this channel. Thank you for the comment, Sammy. Remember, guys, I don't ask for anything during this free live streams, free signal session. All I ask for is a simple comment for the algorithm. Why? So that we can have more people coming on the live streams. It helps the live streams because it lets YouTube know that people are enjoying the stream, people are gaining something from the stream, and it invites other people who will be interested in the stream also. And when they ask questions, I answer and you also learn. So the more people asking questions, the more you learn for free. You know, so everybody wins. Boom, 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 boom. You make money and you gain knowledge. Let's see. All right, so Euro USD is showing signs of being bearish, or it actually is bearish at this point because it's gotten out of this consolidation zone. It can go all the way down to 1.075 if it continues to go short. It is possible to take a sell on Euro USD. However, the issue is that where we're taking our sell brings it back into this consolidated area. And if it comes back into this consolidated area, I do not expect this sell to work. I expect it to come back into this consolidated area and continue to do push down, push up. So there's a potential sell, but it's very risky and it's in this consolidation area. However, if you're able to join in on this trade, right, it is about a 9-to-1 risk to reward ratio trade. Okay, it's a 9-to-1 risk to reward ratio trade. You are risking about 15 pips, 16 pips, right? Let's put the exit. The exit would be the high of today being 19th of July 2023. You are risking about 15 pips for 150 pips, 10-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so let's see how that plays out. Next, we're looking at GBP USD. GBP USD. Oh, okay. We had a trade on GBP USD, crashed all the way out. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see. Yeah, so GBP USD is looking bearish. Let's see what we have. What do we have? You see, that's the power of hedging, because if you had the ability to hedge, you would have lost nothing from that trade. This is why I always feel sad and I always feel sorry for the people who are using stop loss. You know. Let's see. We don't have any good trade on GBP USD. I don't see anything happening so far throughout this week on GBP USD. Maybe it might have a pullback, or maybe it might but I just feel like it's just going to be wasting a lot of time during this week. You know, I don't see anything serious happening with GBP USD. I think it's done for the week, crashed out and is left there. If you want to take a buy, there's no buy, there's no sell, no signal for both. The market is, however, bearish. Is it going to continue to go down? I don't see it continue to go down. I don't see it, continue to go down. I don't have any lower targets. If you're in a trade on GBP USD, maybe take some profits now. If you're in a sell, if you're in a buy, I don't see it going long. Maybe it's just going to consolidate till the end of the week. Who knows? Let's move on to USDJPY. USDJPY, I wanted to take a buy on USDJPY yesterday on my scalp account and also on the copy trade account, right? But the issue that I had was it was inside this consolidation area. And I don't like, me personally, I don't tell people not to take it. Some people take consolidation trades. That's up to you. Me personally, I don't like taking it, But once in a while, I will take it. For example, when my scalp account was small, right? What's the account size? Let me even show you guys the scalp account. When my scalp account was small, I could take all those kind of risks. I didn't care because it was a small account. Now that my account is big, right? It's almost at 40K. I have been, taking less and less risk. That is how it's supposed to be. Someone says, which day do you live stream? I live stream. I try to live stream Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. I try to do at least 3 live streams a week during this period, New York session. And yeah, same time every week. I try to do it same day every week. Thank you for the comment, Sammy. Boom, 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 boom. And by the way, hello. Yeah, my scalp accounts. I'm gonna take a 10,000 withdrawal. Let me share it for you guys. Oh, I almost stopped the stream. Let me share it for you guys. Boom, boom, boom. So I'm at almost at 40,000 now. I'm gonna take a 10K withdrawal this week. I've already made a withdrawal of about 3,250. We started this account with 250 so far. We've made almost 40K in profits. This was the last withdrawal. Last week, these were the only two trades I took. No, wait. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. What day was last week? Okay, 12, 13. Okay, yeah. So, I took this trade last week. Then this one's, I didn't really want to take it. I can't remember why I took this one. You know, oh yeah, it was a mistake. Yeah, not like it was a mistake, but like I just wanted to test some things out, and you know, I made some small profit and I closed it very quickly. But these were the only two trades I took last week. This week, I took one trade, right? I attempted to take another. No, I took one trade here. Yeah, I took one trade here, just one trade. This one, I shouldn't have taken it, right? But it ended up playing out well for me. I'll show the video next week. The video of that will be shown next week on the channel. So let's get back into the charts. We're on USDJPY. Hello, Elwine. We haven't seen you in a while. How are you doing? Hello, Fly Guy. Do I trade US30? I do not trade US30. Most people who trade US30 don't even know what they are trading. US30 is a combination of 30 stocks. Do you know what 30 stocks those are? Can you type in the comment section what those 30 stocks are? If you can't type it, then basically everyone has just been gambling. If you literally do not even know what you are trading, then you've just been gambling. I don't trade it. I have given the analysis and signals for people on this channel who have asked for US30 signals, but me personally, I don't trade it. Most people are trading it because of they think they'll make a lot of money from it. However, you could lose a lot of money, especially if you don't know what you are trading. So people just play with their money and they play with it anyhow. And then they were like, oh, why did I lose? Oh, the market is against me. Oh, the broker knows my stuff. Oh, the brokers don't care about you. Brokers actually want you to win, because when you win, it means you are coming back to take more trades, right? And when you're coming back to take more trades, brokers are making money off the commissions. So why would the broker want you to lose? Think. Trading is just about using common sense. If you actually just use common sense, you'll solve a lot of issues. We had a sell here on USDJPY, played out nicely. Now that we're out of the consolidation period, point here, we have the same issue as we have with EURUSD. I'm not just going to jump in, oh, we're out of the consolidation, hooray, time for me to start taking trades. That's how a trader without experience behaves. There are still market trap conditions, right? It's possible to take a buy on USDJPY, but if I want to take a buy, it brings me back into this consolidation zone. And that's what I don't want. That's what I don't want. You know, that is what I don't want. You set the exit at the low of today, just like with EURUSD. Basically, this trade is the opposite of what we did with EURUSD. You can set your entry at 139, right? Which will give you an exit of 24 pips for about 225 pips. So it's about 9.5 risk to reward ratio. This will be the trade for me that I want on USDJPY. Anything apart from this, but the risk is pulling us back into the consolidation zone. The question is it going to be able to jump back out of this consolidation zone, or are we going to get back into here? On EURUSD and USDJPY, I would say it's 50-50. because I do not like consolidations. I do not like trading inside consolidations. I think I will actually take this trade because I actually missed the first trade when it went up to go out of the consolidation. I might take this trade. I'm not going to lose anything because I know how to hedge. My software is will tell me everything I need to do, where I need to do it, when I need to do it, right? And I'll lose nothing from this trade. I just don't really like taking risky trades, even though I lose nothing. But this one, fine, I'll take it, or maybe even the Euro USD one, we'll see. But I like USDJPY, so I might take USDJPY. All right, let's move back into GBPJPY. Be careful of those consolidations. It's 50-50. I told you guys, consolidations, every time it pulls back into those consolidated areas, is usually a trap. Just like we can see with GBPJPY, we have been in this consolidation for a while. What did I say happens in consolidation? Push up, push down, push up, push down, push up, push down. If you've been following this channel for weeks, some of you, I know some people have been watching the live stream. They've just, anytime they see consolidation and I do the analysis for it, they take advantage of it and they buy and sell in those consolidations. We had 2 sells on GBPJPY here. I think I deleted it and they played out nicely. Now GBPJPY, see what I mean? Short out of this, and now it's going back into this consolidation. So most of these pairs that we're doing analysis on, this is why I haven't had a lot of scalp trades. This is why I haven't had a lot of trades recently. The only thing going, you see, when my swing trades are doing good, my scalp trades are usually doing bad. Not all the time, but majority of the time. That's just how the market is. When my scalp trades are doing good, the swing trades are usually, hard to find, not really a lot. So yeah, we're back into this consolidation. It's showing signs of going back into this consolidation. I don't think it has the energy to leave this consolidation, and if it goes back into this consolidation, some of you might just want to buy to take advantage of the consolidation. At the end of the day, most of these things are just 50-50. The market is not clear. The market is consolidating at this point. Sometimes you don't need to take trades all the time. Unless you want to gamble, unless you are gambling your profits, then it counts. If you are gambling your main capital, then you don't know what you're doing. When you take risk, you should know how you apply those risks. Some of you don't even know how to make profits in the first place. Making profits is the easy part. And some of you guys don't even know that. Making a plan after you know how to make profits is where you now start becoming a trader. Just think about it. All the losses you have taken in your trading, if you had hedged it out, do you know how much you would have right now? You never take 50-50 trades, only 90-10. 90-10 trades may not even play out. You may take 5 90-10 trades and they may not play out. Okay? The reason why I'm saying it's 50-50 is because it's in a consolidated area. If it was not in a consolidated area, these trades will be over 95%, almost 100%. I would even say 99%. The only risk is that consolidation. Consolidation is like gravity, right? The gravity is like pulling it back into that zone. It's like when you leave the atmosphere of the Earth, you are in space, you are floating. But if the space station gets close to the Earth will start dragging it down and pulling it down like gravity till the space station crashes. So you don't want to drive the space station too close to the Earth. So when you are trading, it's the same thing. If you are trading too close to the consolidation, it might drag it back into that consolidation. Can we have a live hedge one day so we can learn? Then what is the point of me teaching it? Exactly. I teach it for a fee because it's valuable. I give a software for a fee because it's not don't expect everything for me for free. Okay. I value my time, and to learn how to hedge takes time. Okay. Giving signals is very easy for me. I have my software that has literally done the analysis. I'm literally just repeating what my software has done. So it's not like, stress for me. I'm coming live 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 times a week, 2 times a week, and I'm repeating what my software has already done. I'm not, going there doing some hours of analysis like some other people that are streaming. They are just wasting your time, spending and sitting down hours with you doing analysis. You're not really learning anything. I'm very straightforward. I don't waste your time. give you your analysis and your signals fast, immediate, and straightforward. That's how trading is. You know, that's how trading is. When I'm taking my scalping trades, I don't sit down. I don't sit down and waste my time. The moment I open my charts, within 5 minutes, within one, actually within less than 1 minute, I already know where the scalp signals are. I already know where the swing signals are. I'm not wasting my time sitting down mediating, blah blah blah. You know, that's what people who can't trade. Who has time for that? Boom 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 boom. Yeah, so GBPJPY, we have that consolidation demon rattling around. Let's move on to GBP card. No, card JPY. No, wait. Yeah, card. Let's do card JPY before GBP card. Card JPY. Guys, you see what I mean when I say comment for the algorithm. You see, as people are asking questions, a lot of you are listening to the answers. Different questions that you probably wouldn't have thought about. They are asking it, and you are learning. Okay, this is the benefit. Everybody wins. You come, you get some nice analysis, you make some profits, and you also gain some knowledge. Don't expect everything to be free. Okay, some things take me hours, some things take me a while to explain. I cannot be sitting down there for hours explaining about what I already know. I can literally just go out right now, drive my car. I drive a very nice car, or I can go to the hotel, get a nice massage, or go to a restaurant, get something nice to eat, instead of just sitting down almost every week explaining what I already know how to do. You know, this is why I charge for my time, because if you're taking my time, you're taking time from me that I could have been enjoying my profits. Boom, boom, boom. Bim, bim, bim. Bim, bim, bim. Thank you for the comment, Sammy. You said, I just want to get in before an explosive move and skip the consolidation part. Well, you don't control the markets. That is what you want to do. You see, I don't try to fight the markets. I don't try to fight the markets. That's it. I understand how the market works, and that's just it. Why am I fighting something that I can't control? Even if you have $100 million, you still can't control the market. Even if you have 200, 300, you're not moving a dime of the markets. So, Alguen Parami, I do not speak. I don't even know what language that is. English, Manuel. English. Hello, by the way. Let's get into. I don't know. Are you asking for WhatsApp group? I do not have a WhatsApp group. I do not even know what the WhatsApp. I have a Telegram group. Okay. I have a call. Give me 1 minute and I'll be right back. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, where I'm at, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to go missing. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the number one spot, you gotta take mine. Only way to do that is for you to write some break lines. You ain't even big enough to get cloned by AI. I don't know nobody living quite like this. Hopped in the ghost, it ain't even got mileage. They gon' remember the name cause I'm timeless. Say time is money, just know mine is priceless. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. Yeah. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep.
wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we after ya. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I've been here the whole time. I've been running laps in this bitch is so nine. I could put you on a map with a cosign. Trophies got a crib looking like a gold mine. They follow in my footsteps cause I know that I paved the way. She think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so your salary my day to day. I'm numb to awards, now the Grammys act like paperweights. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. Had to drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the 6. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, where I'm at, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to go missing. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the number one spot, you gotta take mine.
All right, guys, I'm back. I had a call. You said, what time frame do I use when giving signals? I don't understand that question. You say, how can I get signals? If you want to pay for the signals, go to hedgingmastermind.com. That way you can get private signals outside this free live stream. But if you are looking for free signals, I only give that during the live stream. I do this live stream Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. If you message me for signals, I most probably will block you. Okay? Especially if you're not my student. Do not message me for private signals. If you want signals, I am literally giving it for free on the live stream. All you have to do is attend the live stream, plain and simple, or watch the video later on. All right, let's get back into it. Where are we? CAD JPY. CAD JPY is looking bullish as of now. However, it is in a consolidation. See what I mean, guys? See what I mean, guys? It is looking like it escaped the consolidation. But it did look like that here also, twice. So we're just gonna have to wait and see. I don't think we can get our answer today. Tomorrow we're gonna wait and see if we break these points. Okay, if not, what do we expect? Push back down. So whoever asked for CAD JPY, if you're buying, if you're buying and it comes back into this consolidated area, just close your trades. Okay, if you want to take a sell, the market is not bearish right now unless we get back into this consolidated zone. Let's go back and look at USDJPY also. Yeah, because I'm not having a live stream tomorrow, I just want to show you guys where to look out for if we are continuing on the bullish direction on USDJPY. If we can break the high of today, then yes, surely bullish, surely bullish, bullish. Same thing with EURUSD. EURUSD. If we can break the low of today, surely bearish. Then we can increase those 50-50 to 90-10 like a lime likes. So it's a risky trade for the entry, but if we break these boundaries, profit galore. The only reason why you'd be scared of something like this is if you are using stop loss. If you are using hedging, I don't think anybody who is using hedging will be USDJPY, not Euro USD. Euro USD, you probably will have to use a stop. But for USDJPY, if you are hedging, nothing to fear. The way the market is set up, only your students will understand what I'm saying. Okay, for those who are not students, unfortunately, I will not explain it here, but just understand and try to take in what I'm saying. Now, GBP card, before we move on to gold, XAUUSD, which is last but never least. You're welcome. This is what I do for my subscribers. All I ask that is you come on the live stream, you ask good questions, you make comments, like just pay me in comments, like, share, and subscribe, watch my videos. I've noticed the videos, the last video that I uploaded got over 300 views in the first 24 hours. Oh, yeah, it's not even up to 24 hours. It has over 350 views. Like, so I'm trying to make my videos more entertaining and more interesting for you guys. Guys, try to always make comments when I upload videos. Try to always share. Even if you can't share, just make a comment. Even if it's a silly comment, even if it's a random comment, just type something and try to continue to do it. Some people just make one comment and they don't comment again. You know, we're almost at 400 views in 24 hours. Okay, I think this is one of the highest views, except for when I was doing vlogs. How many of you guys want me to continue to do vlogs or start doing vlogs again? I have a call, just 1 minute, guys, and then we'll begin GBP card. Thank you for the comments, Sammy. Thank you.
I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. Had to drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the 6. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, well, man, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to don't miss it. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the number one spot, you gotta take mine. Only way to do that is for you to write some Drake lines. You ain't even big enough to get cloned by AI. I don't know nobody living quite like this. Hopped in the ghost, it ain't even got mileage. They gon' remember the name cause I'm timeless. Say time is money, just know mine is priceless. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. Talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we after ya. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I've been here the whole time. I've been running laps in this bitch is so nine. I could put you on a map with a cosign. Trophies got a grid think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so your salary my day to day. I'm numb to awards, now the Grammys act like paperweights. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. Had to drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the six. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, well, man, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to go missing. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the number one spot, you gotta take mine. Only way to do that is for you to write some Drake lines. You ain't even big enough to get cloned by AI. I don't know nobody living quite like this. Hopped in the ghost, it ain't even got mileage. They gon' remember the name cause I'm timeless. Say time is money, just know mine is priceless. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. Yeah. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep. Yeah, it's hard to keep. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we after ya. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I been here the whole time.
All right, guys, I'm back. I'm back. Who asked for GBP card? What is going on? GBP card is bearish. Okay, if you are selling GBP card, come out of that trade. If you are buying GBP card, you are totally wrecked. You are totally wrecked. You know, if you are selling GBP card, come out. It has already gone way past where it can go to. Okay, I don't expect it to continue to go bearish. The market is bearish. It's very clearly bearish. It's crashed. You know, it has gone way beyond where it should go. I would have expected it to go all the way down to 1.705, right? 1.705. Yeah, well, it has gone way beyond that. So if you're in GBP card, take your profits now, run. There's no more trade on GBP card. There's no signal on GBP card. No buys, no sells. Just done. Most of these pairs are done for the week, and we are just on Wednesday. And some of them were done for the week on Tuesday. So how many trades am I going to find this week? You see, I was only able to take 2 last week. Who knows how many I'll be able to take this? And that's just scalping. You know, we'll see what happens. But it's not like I can't take small scalps. I can still take small scalps, make some small profit, but I'm looking for big scalps. If not, I'm just going to have to start taking small scalps. Maybe if you have videos of me taking like 5 scalps, 10 scalps in a day, who knows? We'll see. I enjoy the big scalps. They make a lot of profits very fast. So that's just it. And I think I've gotten used to it. But this is why you have to have a system that works through any trading condition. You can always easily adapt. Now, let's go to gold. Last but not least, gold. XAUUSD. I've been making profits from this. I've been enjoying. I've locked in so much profit on XAUUSD. Let me show you the accounts. Let me show you how much I've locked in, baby. I explained this gold, or like I've been explaining gold for we've been tracking gold down for months, for the past 4 months straight and steady. You know, wow. Let's see, XAUUSD. I am still bullish on XAUUSD. Let me share my charts for you. Thank you for the comment, Sunny. Let me share my charts. Let me share my charts on my trading screen. I've been bullish on XAUUSD. I've locked in some profits around here. I've locked in over 10,000 in profits. Okay, we're over 26,000 in profits floating right now. I need gold to break 1985, right? I need gold to break 1985. I'm going to move my take profits to more profits. I'm going to move it to 1950, right? So that I'll secure more profits. 1950. So that's 10,000. Let me secure some more profits here. Okay, so we would have secured over $12,000 in profits so far. So even if the market crashes, I'll still come out with some profits. Very good. The account is almost over 100K. I haven't really made any withdrawals. We've just been swing trading. We had some hedges, but yeah, deposited 60K, 30K in profits. We're growing it and growing it and growing it till we have up to 60K in profits. Then I'll make a withdrawal. I'll withdraw the deposit that I made so that I can be trading free with the market's money. Yeah, so yeah, this is what happens when you understand and know how the market works. Yes. If the market goes below, let me actually just show that on the chart so I can give you a better explanation instead of showing it on mine. You said that gold profit is awesome. As I'm growing my accounts over the coming few months, you will see my accounts grow very, very fast. And then we'll start making the serious real profits. Okay, we'll start making serious real profits. By the end of this year, I want my accounts to be in at least 200K or at least 150K, my standard trading accounts. So yeah, that's our goal for the end of this year. You know, I'm not going to now then, make my life about that goal. I'm not then going to make my life about that goal. I'm just going to do my thing, and if we get to that goal, then that will be it. All right. Boom, 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 boom. 1 minute, guys. All right, so let's do the. All right, so what I was saying was, if it goes below 1955, then I'll be taking my full gold profit, right? Because we're in a consolidation here, right? Even if it goes below 1965, I might start taking partial profits. Okay, it's just that I moved my stop to break even, not break even, to some profits. So I'm going to move that profit to 1955. Okay. However, if we go below 1965, I'll start closing some partial profits manually. Okay. I'll start closing some partial profits manually. Why? Because if it goes below 1965, it's bringing us back into this consolidation zone. And if we go back into this consolidation zone, two things can happen. Either we get back into this consolidation zone and start doing push up, push down, or we break this zone and start going bearish. The good thing is that on gold, we are in a consolidation on its own here also, right? So what I expect to happen is that we consolidate in this area for a long period of time, right? And then we finally have a breakout here or here, and that will determine what is going to happen afterwards. All right, I already have my profits locked. I'm going to take some partial profits if I see it breaking below this point. Let me even just say from 1970, but just to be more safe, below 1965. I don't want to start taking partial profits early. If it goes below 1965, I can take maybe 5k profits, 10k profits, and then just leave the rest to run. Move my stop loss into more and more profits, and the market plays out, and then we'll start looking for sell trades. But for now, I'm still bullish on gold. I feel like it's just making traps and setting up traders to take sells, and then it's going to shoot back up. So we'll see how this plays out. And we're going to end this stream in the next. You said US 30. You want new US 30 analysis. I've been saying this thing since. How many of you know what US 30 is? If you can, nobody has ever told me. Mention and type the 30 stocks of US 30. You are trading it because you are desperate for profit, but you are not making profits, but you are still trading it because you are desperate. Trading is just simple common sense, but people refuse to want to apply it because of the promise of profits that they are not even making. From someone who told them they will make profits, but never showed them how to make that profit. Anyways, and when I say never showed them, I mean they never showed you on a live account them making that profit. But you want to trade it because you saw people making profit on it, and they never showed you. But if that's what you want, it is a free live stream. We'll give it to you. US 30 is bullish. What do you want from me on US 30? You want analysis? Okay. Boom. Right now we're bullish. It had a spike here, had another spike. The reason why it had those spikes is because it knew it was bullish. It has been bullish since the point of time that it broke this high, right? It shot quickly all the way up because it doesn't want to give you the ability to take buys. And for those people selling, it doesn't want to give you the ability to get out of your sell, especially if you didn't use a stop loss. I don't expect US 30 to come down anytime soon. I expect it to continue to go bullish, but we'll see what happens. All right. The thing is, you have to wait to see what happens, but it's not putting you in a situation where you can actually even find a trade on US 30 in the first place. The best time would have been to buy was when it broke out of this zone. That would have been the best time. Right now, you are stuck between this 35,200 and 34,500 zone. It has to break out of here or break out of here for you to know where it's going to continue to. However, this week, I don't see it breaking out of any of those zones. I believe it's just going to consolidate till the end of the week and just waste people's times. It's going to make you buy, it's going to make you sell, and it's just going to trap you. That's what I see on US 30. Hope you guys love enjoying trading your US 30 that you are never making any profits from. Some of your accounts can't even handle it. I would advise you to, not I would advise you, but if it were me, I would rather gamble my money on gold, because it's possible to see results on that than gambling on your US 30 that you don't even know what stocks you're trading. All right, guys, we have 1 minute left in this trade. If you have any last minute questions, put that in the comment section. Remember, if you want to copy my trades, for copy trades, sign up in Mega Markets. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 in your account to be able to copy my trades, and send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram once you're done with your email. And if you want to test my software for free for 2 weeks, sign up in Mega Markets, the broker that I use, link in the description below. Fund your account with at least $150, so I know that you are serious about taking trades and testing my software. I don't want time wasters. Send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram, and with your email. If you want to buy the course to learn how to scalp the markets, swing trade, and hedge, especially hedging, which means making profit to cover your loss, doing it the proper way, not martingale system, not some dumb crappy guessing system. Because it went up you buy, because it went down you sell. You're just using any amount of loss size. Proper hedging. Okay, just like the hedge funds do. The hedge funds are not using stop loss. The banks are not using stop loss. No bank is going to take 100,000 stop loss. No hedge fund is going to take 50,000 stop loss because they are trading billions. So if they were to use stop loss, they will be losing 200,000. Which hedge fund is going to do that? Which hedge fund is going to tell their clients, oh, we used the stop loss and we lost 100,000? Who? They hedge. Simply type it on Google. What do hedge funds do to exit out their trade? They hedge. It's literally there on Google, but you guys don't want to listen. You are listening to traders who are trading $1,000 telling you to use stop loss, and you are listening to them, and you're asking yourself, why are you losing? You know, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back with another stream on Friday, same time as usual. Come with more questions and enjoy we'll have another swing trading video, not swing trading, scalping video tomorrow. And yeah, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and comment on that video, especially comment for the algorithm, and we'll meet on Friday again soon. Take care, Elam. Hope you have a nice Friday also. Hope you guys have a nice trading week ahead also. Bye.
It will take time. If you want the #1 spot, you gotta take mine. Only way to do that is for you to write some break lines. You ain't even big enough to get cloned by AI. I don't know nobody living quite like this. Hopped in the ghost, it ain't even got mileage. They gon' remember the name cause I'm timeless.
Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I used to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, USDC, Ethereum, and many more. And the transactions are done in an instant. No waiting or delays. This broker does it in an instant. The trading platform is done in MT4, which I consider the best trading platform if you want to have the best trading experience. You can click the link in description below to sign up and start trading and making profits just